Hi everyone. Again, let's take a look at the lantern light. These two birds. Aren't they cute? They're really cute. See this tiny little feet? Really cute. And the eye, oh my god. Even got some shadows of the eye. And these silk cloth are all hand painting and spray painting. What is the most beautiful is the tail. Look at the tail. All those shadows, hand paint. And you can even see some letters shadow of this. And this one is also the same. Beautiful eye, wonderful tail, and wings and a little cute feet. Thank you for watching.